Next subject. We are out on the open road, ladies and gentlemen, and riding along on a 2021 Aprilia Tuono V4. And it's a cool day in Southern California, about 63 degrees. I cannot see behind me. Seems like no matter what I do. Oh yeah, now I can. I'll have to try it with that mirror there. Can't see too well. And I've not ridden much steadily this year, 2024. Earlier in the year, I was diagnosed with some radiation burns. Oh shit. I gotta pull over. Oh shit. Well, there you go. I just lost my, oh, don't run over it. Oh, shoot. I just lost my fairing cover. And it's laying in the middle of the road. I don't know if you can see this. Oh, don't run over it, don't run over it, don't run over it. Oh man, that sucks. It was on there pretty tight, so I thought. Oh, Shazbot. Okay. We get the rare occasion. Oh yeah, I got a little gumlachi on it there. So something pushed it off. I don't have a backpack on. So we got to shut off the bike. Got to shut off the bike. Oh, I almost caught it. I felt it creeping up on my backside there. And I am right on the side of the road where people can hit me. Not happy about that. Now that's not staying on. Ladies and gentlemen, we have an issue. Did we get it on? I think we did. Oh dear. Well, hello and welcome. So we'll fire up the bike again. By the way, try not to start or stop your bike on a downhill section, because you'll fold the kickstand up underneath it and the bike will roll on without you. Oh man. That sucks. So that ain't cool. So my rear fairing fell off just then. And I felt something against my backside, and I thought, what the heck was that? Thought maybe my jacket was coming loose. And of course, it was the fairing rolling up against me, and I tried to stop gingerly to keep it on the seat because it was just rolling loose on the seat, and I needed my clutch hand. I couldn't grab it with one hand. I guess I might have tried a little bit of a balancing act, but no dice. So that happened. So we will bring you to your regularly scheduled bike ride right now.